Hi, my name is Cameron David. I'm one of the co-founders of Fuel Life. And what I'm looking forward to most about the holiday cooking class is changing the conversation from disconnection to connection and actually having people experience Christmas instead of engaging in a conversation of no Christmas
My name
at
is
all.
Sasha, and I'm a registered nurse. I've had numerous roles throughout Fuel Life, but one thing that's always been at the center is improving healthcare accessibility to the most vulnerable members of our community. The holiday cooking class is our way of giving back to all those who inspire us through their resilience and persistence in the face of adversity.
Hi, my name is Angel, and I'm one of the co-founders of Fuel Life. Due to COVID this year, I've learned to be even more grateful for what I've been blessed with. Through the Fuel Life Holiday Edition cooking class, I hope to be able to give back to the community so others can experience the joy of the holiday spirit in difficult times like this.
Hello everybody, how you doing? It's Rags here, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to share why the Fuel Life cooking show is really important to me. So 2020 has been a very challenging year, and during the holidays, we might not feel like we have that much to celebrate. So I want to share everything that I have with all of you so that you get to live the full holiday experience that you want to live right from the comfort of your own home. All right, so I'm looking forward to cooking with you. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
Hello everyone. Don't let COVID bring you down this Christmas season. Let Fuel Life come into your house and bring some joy. Join us in making some nutritious, delicious meals. Let's have some fun. I'll see you online.